In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete WPS Office on Windows 7.4. We'll walk through the recommended built-in Windows method so you can remove the program cleanly and without hassle. Before you begin, save and close any open WPS documents and make sure WPS Office itself isn't running in the background. If your PC is managed by your workplace, you might need administrator rights, so keep that in mind. Start by opening the Start menu in the lower left corner of your screen and choosing Control Panel. On Windows 7, Control Panel can show items in different views. If you see Category View, click Programs, and then click Programs and Features. If you're using the large or small icons view, you can go straight to Programs and Features. This is the area where Windows lists everything that's installed on your computer. Give the list a moment to load, especially if you have a lot of software. You can scroll through the list to find WPS Office, or use the search box in the upper right corner of the window to type WPS, which helps filter the list quickly. When you spot WPS Office, click it once to select it. Take a quick look to confirm you've selected the correct entry. With WPS Office highlighted, look toward the top of the window and click the uninstall button on the toolbar. Some systems also let you right-click the entry and choose uninstall from the context menu. Both actions do the same thing. At this point, Windows may show a security prompt asking for permission to make changes. Choose Yes to continue. An uninstaller window will appear and guide you through the removal. Follow the on-screen instructions, clicking Yes or uninstall when prompted. The exact wording can vary, but the goal is to remove the program completely. Be patient while the progress bar advances. It's normal for this to take a few minutes depending on your system speed. If the uninstaller asks you to close any running components, allow it to do so. If you're asked to restart your computer at the end, go ahead and restart to finalize the cleanup. When the process finishes, return to the Programs and Features window. WPS Office should no longer appear in the list, and its shortcuts should be gone from the Start menu. That's your confirmation that the uninstall was successful. And that's it. You've removed WPS Office on Windows 7 using Control Panel. If you followed along step by step, your system should now be free of the application and ready for whatever you want to install or run next. Thanks for watching, and great job getting it done.